drumming on the beat. Hi guys. Hey, if you're new here, I'm Deb, and today I have my FabFitFun, and I'm trying to get this all done because I am so far behind. My house is just totally buried, and I can't dig my way out until I go through some. I went through the other stuff and got it sorted, and then my FabFitFun came yesterday, and so here we go again. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. This is my customized one, and you know they have packing material. Now this, I did take this out because I was trying to see what it smelled like. It does smell very good. This is that by Rosie Jane Everyday Body Milk, and it smells. This is the consistency of it. You can see it running down my hand. But it smells very, it's got a strong smell, but it's like, if you take clean linen and you make it thicker and thicker, you know, if you make that smell stronger, that's kind of what it smells like to me. But it is a strong scent, so I wouldn't use it on its own, you know, unless you wanted, if you're using other perfume, it will clash probably. And I'm a big perfume goer, and here is the box. I couldn't wait. It says chill is what they call it. It's Everyday Body Milk Chill the F Out by Rosie Jane. And then once I couldn't lie to you, because once I opened it, it was like I couldn't put it back in the box because you know you have to twist it to get that to open. So, so it became a whole new thing. Anyway, feeling a little bit better today. Sat down yesterday and had a good cry. Gotta have them every now and then after the babies leave. They can go, but do they really have to take my soul with them? Okay, and the next thing is Nip and Fab Hydrate Hyaluronic Fix Extreme Concentrate, which I do use hyaluronic acid on the daily. I'm just trying to see if it's sealed, because I didn't open this, and it's just your typical, this is a glass jar though, but this is supposed to be a little bit stronger than normal. Ew, it's kind of stringy. Look, it's thicker than normal. Let's try that again where you can see. See, it just kind of strings. It doesn't just, it feels good. It says it's concentrate, so I imagine it probably is. So we'll see. One of these days, this hand's going to be that of a 12-year-old, and this hand's going to be the old lady. Because I always put, it seems like I always try that stuff on this hand. I don't know why. Most things I do with both hands, so I don't know why I do that. So anyway, we'll put that there. Then we get Be Curly, Be Advanced Curl Enhancing Cream. Fights frizz, adds shine. And she did put a mask on my hair because it was starting to look a little It needs colored again. That's why it's looking so Curl Enhancer Cream. This is just basically a cream you put in your hair to make your curls work. And it's sealed. Which, I don't know what that smell is. It smells like green apples, like right before they go bad. That's what it smells like. I mean, it's not a bad smell, but they get, you know, because they get juicier and they get a stronger scent. But anyway, that's what that smells like. And it's Aveda, and I've always liked their hair care. Now, I did try their moisturizer that time, and I did not like it. But I do love their hair care. I use their leave-in a lot of times. And then I got, and these were all my picks. Happy holidays, and there's from the staff. They have that many employees now. And I got the cookbook holder. You can put an iPad on it, or, you know, your phone or whatever. And it's almost cookie season, let's be honest. I have stuff in there to make pumpkin rolls, but I've not made them. So let's just put this little sucker together. And I'll just take and put it on my countertop. Huh. And it's Open Spaces cookbook holder. And I believe Open Spaces is one of their brands. But it's just, see, and you can scoot this as far in or out as you need it, depending on what you put in there. So I'll just put that in there on the counter. I might dry brush it like I did the other thing too. That was really nice. That utensil holder, I don't know if I've showed you that, but I will. And then they got a $3,000 and plus prize pack from Caraway that we know I'm not going to win because I never do. And that hag, my sister, said, I would just love to try this one time because they say they can do for any diet. Really? You think you can do for me? I don't think you can. Yeah, my sister tells me the other day, Deb, I'm thinking about getting that FabFitFun you get. And I'm like, well, darling Kay, don't get it till the spring box, because... Okay, then this came in again free this time. Now, I sat out one of those little... Oh, it's over there. I set it out over there, and then I did my nails, and yeah, screwed two up, but that's okay. I'm still wearing these black ones. Still wearing them from last week. Tells you how much cleaning I've done. Well, I did have them off for about 3 days, so. But this is that same turmeric, milk, and lemon drop. And now, turmeric is what my eye doctor told me to start taking for inflammation. So, I imagine it's probably good for your skin. But if I remember correctly, you could smell through this little hole. Oh, yeah. And it smells so good. And I don't usually like soap, but putting this in one of those exfoliating things would probably be very good for my psoriasis. Because psoriasis is just where your skin it creates cells more often than you need to. Yeah, it's part of my HLA B27 lovely life that I have. Okay, now I did get these as extras. Because I picked two. And the first one is, it's got a card in it too. And I had to call them because I couldn't find these things, which is crazy. They were in the folds of my thing. And it says, this is Ana Luisa. And it says, hi, gorgeous. Want to elevate your jewelry game? Save $30 on your next Ana Luisa purchase of $100 or more. So there's that. So we'll put that aside. Now, a lot of times I get this jewelry and I'll let Caleb give it to his girlfriend for Christmas, birthdays, Valentine's Day. And sometimes I keep them because I like having nice stuff, but this is the gold necklace is what this one is. And it's serpentine. Now look at that. That's very pretty, but I don't think I will be able to get it on. I went and got some metallic clasps, but I don't know if I'll be able to get it on my own. It's in there pretty good. How the heck's it come out? Let's see. And I forget what the value of this is. But I wanted it. Because I remember when I was in high school, you know, the layered necklace, the layered chain look was popular. And I always liked that look. But I always had such trouble getting the clasp together. Which is, this has a big... This has a big... See, it has a... Where am I? Oh, I'm over here, duh. Wrong phone. has a big clasp there. So, and it's lobster on this side. So let's see if I'm able to get it. Maybe. They're really hard for me though. Oh well, it'll look like that. I'll put one of those magnetic ones on there, because you know I can't do it on my own. And I've got a thick neck too, so by putting that on there, it'll give it another inch. So that'll be pretty. And I need to get in the habit when I get this stuff to put them on there. That way when I want to wear them, I'm not like, oh, that's too much hassle. Because I tend to do that. And I think they're just laying right over there. So when I get done, I'll do that. But that's what that looks like. And it's just a serpentine chain. So you can wear it with anything. So I'll stick it in there. Well, that's nice. I just dropped it on the floor. Watch me lose it. And then I got this. This is Ettika. And it comes with its little pouch, and it's plastic. It's just a little satin pouch. It has their name printed on it. We all know they probably purchased it from Alibaba or somewhere. AliExpress. And this is one of those. This is what it looks like. Let me show you what it looks like. It's really pretty. But let me see if I can be smart enough to. Okay, yeah, I can. You got to be smarter than that. Some of them I'm not smarter than, and I admit it wholeheartedly. Let's see. Now I need to do this side. Which side is which? Oh. And you put it on. It's going to take me a minute because I have very big hands because I work with them all the time. Because I don't have enough common sense to go get gloves like normal people, and my hands swell a lot because I do steroids, and you know the routine. But I've got this because I thought, that would probably, now look, now quit biting me. And see, you can tighten it back up. You can tighten it back up. But I thought, wouldn't that be pretty next to my watch with the little rhinestones? Because I do love my watch. But I thought, wouldn't that be pretty layered with that? I would probably put it up above it. Just, you know, because you don't, then my watch could protect it from getting broke. And my watch is a little bit more durable. Isn't that pretty? You know, us old ladies, especially as poor old ladies, we love something that just makes us feel special. So there's that. And I'll take that right back off because I know I'm going to end up messing it up before Thanksgiving because I'm going to wear it Thanksgiving. My sister got me an expensive watch or bracelet one year. And I don't wear it because I'm afraid I'll lose it. I think I've wore it maybe 3 times because I'm afraid I'll lose it. But there's that. I thought that looked really pretty with my watch. Because with my watch, I can't wear any of my cuff bracelets. You know, I can, but it has to be on this hand. And this hand's the one I try to hide because that's the one I shattered, so it looks messed up. And then last but not least, I did get the Fenty. Because I thought to myself, and this is before I got the trial in, what was it, Allure that we had? Yeah, Allure that we had the trial. And I did love it. But I'm going to tell you, this stuff, go easy. If you normally use 4 sprays, use 2. Because this is it's a very strong, lasting scent. But it smells really good. And it lingers. And I can imagine you could walk into if you put this on, waited 15 minutes and walked into a smoke-filled bar, they could smell you in the back. but it smells very good. Now, and this is a $140 bottle. And you had to pay an extra $20 to receive this as your first choice. So I just got it and then got the necklace as my added choice. Because I thought, when else am I going to get a $140 perfume? And I thought, if I don't like it, I can always give it to somebody as a gift. Well, I do like it. And I don't normally like musk. And the notes in it are musk and rose, and there was something else. I think it was vanilla or something. And I don't normally like musk at all. I can't stand it. It smells like mold to me. But when it blends with the rose, it takes it to a different level. And I mean, it lingers. You know, you can put it on in the morning before you walk out the door to work, and you will probably still smell good. You know, it fades, but you will probably smell good still when you get home from work. Because I put mine on my clothes, so it lasts longer than if you put it on your skin. But it also causes less inflammation or less chances of... it wasn't last but not least, there was this. And this is a First Aid Beauty, and it's Ultra Repair Cream, Intense Hydration, Skin Protected, Collendale Oatmeal, which is good for itching in the winter. It's basically a hand cream, because you wouldn't use it on your face because it's probably got silicone on it for protecting. We'll just try it. It's got this. We'll just try it. I don't have an asthma attack from that Fenty, because I did spray 3 after I told everybody else I only used 2. Yeah, it has, you know, like that protective coating on it. So, like, if you wash your hands a lot through the day, which I do because I go to the bathroom all the time, you know, and if I don't wash my hands, that's disgusting. So, anyway, there's that and that. And that is my customized box. And I'll put the running total up here of the values and how much the total box was worth. And all the information is down below. My link is down below, and I'm not affiliated with them, you know, but they have, everybody that is with them, they get a code. So if somebody uses their code, they get so much, they get like $10 towards their next box or whatever. So anyway, feel free to use all that. And this is my customized box. This is all mine. You know, do the YouTube stuff. Like, subscribe. Bye.